This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 31 megavolts is a Class C RV. It is located in Turlock, California, 95382 and is offered for sale by Best RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Thor Motor Coach is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features a Nantucket Blue Sunlit Silver interior, sleeps 6, Slideout, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Thor Motor Coach 4 Winds 31 megavolts is built on a Ford E-Series chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.